Law enforcement officials were actively pursuing 37-year-old Dante Cudini on July 15, 2024, in connection with a fatal shooting of a woman inside a vehicle.
Second now, he's down. To reiterate, there is no PC permit this time.
Jesus. Copy, no PC this time.
Try to hit a deputy. Mark foot.
Yep.
64 copy.
Get around.
Now, he just tried to take out hot Carl.
We're getting reports on primary of shot fired 252nd off the highway.
He just hit a truck. I'm here with Deputy Olson, who was hit by the vehicle. His arm.
We're getting reports on shot fired at 252nd Mountain Highway. Is everybody on this channel okay?
I heard you smoking. We're southbound.
I'll make that eastbound 260th from Mountain Highway. Traffic's medium. Stand by.
Eastbound 260th Mountain Highway.
Motor, I think it's the motor smoking.
There's almost no traffic. We're going pretty slow. He's just swerving. We're still eastbound. He's waving at deputies.
I think he's swerving to avoid the pit. Chad's going in.
Watch out, Chad!
Negative pit. Someone's trying to block him. Maybe a citizen.
Negative pit. Citizen possibly turned to assist and block.
Still eastbound. Avoiding the pit at 58th Ave. Speeds are 40.
Is at 40 eastbound 260th from 58th Avenue East.
Speeds 40, no traffic. He's waving his arms out the window like a wild man. Still eastbound at 40.
Here you go, just show it. Approaching Rocky Ridge Elementary and approaching 68th Avenue East.
It's 70th Avenue on the north side for 6.
70th Avenue north of 260.
Soon. Turn out the window now. He's waving the gun out the window. He's being dog.
Waving a gun out the window.
Taking shots at it to what the window was busting out the back.
Who's taking shots?
But before we continue, we can tell you enjoy this type of content, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Make sure to turn on notifications too, so you never miss a new video.
Stop! You're pregnant. I won't do this.
Police, drop the gun. Drop the gun.
We'll shoot you. I will drop the gun. Okay,
Drop it.
The gun. Lift me up. You got the wrong guy. Guy with the red car.
Hey, drop the gun.
70th Avenue East.
I'm going to take her to the hospital. Stop. Look at this. up.
Coming up behind you. Get out, get out, get out.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Drop the gun.
Shots fired.
Watch your back, watch your back.
Are you okay? Cam, are you okay? Are you okay?
Let's get us. I'm gonna grab a shield.
I have no visual. Show me your hands!
Show me your hands. I'm grabbing a shield, then we can go up. Okay, hang on.
Shield, let's give us a shield, Marty.
We got one coming. We're good. I'm grabbing a shield. He's down. .406. Let's get fire priority for him. All deputies look good. Someone want to grab a medical?
He's still breathing, so we need to stand by. I don't know where that
Yeah, we'll come up with a safety plan.
What? You want me to move up on the right?
No, just stay there.
Marty, I can get that door open.
Don't go in there. Don't go in there.
I'm just raising the door for
John,
you.
don't go in there.
Hey, let's move a vehicle up, guys. Yeah, give us some cover.
225.
Police, show us your hands. Show us your hands.
We want to get you help.
Show us your hands and come out so we can help you.
See if I can pop that garage door open.
Got somebody with the female, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Get that spotlight on him, please, Ollie. What?
Spotlight only.
We do not have visual of guns.
I'm good. You good?
Let's stay back, man.
Welcome.
She's good. He's good. This guy's not cooperating with us and had the gun in his hand. We still got any movement? A little
I
bit.
can't really tell. He wasn't breathing.
His foot moved.
Why don't we move this car back, get some cover, and just wait?
Yeah, just back it up a little. Keep going, Ollie.
Is it worth moving up, pulling him out?
No.
Just leave it.
We don't know where the gun is. We don't know if he's still alive.
Let's do this as safe for us and for him as we can.
Chris,
You shot
okay?
it, Chris?
No, he almost hit him,
He
though.
tried to run him over.
Okay.
I was right behind him.
Where's the female that he was with?
Someone grabbed her.
Okay.
He's on the left of this car, in his arm. He still has the gun. You want me to go up with a shield with you?
Get the guy out. Get the guy out. Get that guy out of there. Get him out of there. Come on, get him out of there. Get that guy out of there. Get that guy out of there. Get him out of there. Hell, boy, get him out of there.
Back.
Oh, boy, get him out of there. Good boy. Get him cuffed. Somebody cover. Good boy. He's got no run. Good boy, Eddie.
Got a rifle and a shield. Yeah, glove up. Just take kind of glove up. The gun might be under him right now.
Gun's right here by the.
Let's roll a little fast though. How'd you look? Is it clear? I heard that.
Holster.
Any guns in there?
Magazine.
The gun is right here.
Okay. I guess we'll go for fire. Let's go and have them all in.
Yeah, they're coming.
Okay.
All right, we'll get some aid started. We got some holes on his tummy,
We got broken glass and pipes and
leg wounds.
Did you shoot over here? Yeah, 2 seconds. Go ahead.
Yes.
Go ahead and separate with them over there.
Okay.
I got him. I got him.
We are on the mound. We got him.
Following an exchange of gunfire within a garage, the suspect succumbed to his injuries on site after being engaged by responding deputies. Legal authorities determined the use of lethal force was warranted, citing the immediate risk the suspect posed to the hostage and the potential for further escalation. The operation marked one of the final service actions for K-9 Eddie, who concluded a distinguished career and entered retirement following a subsequent call.
Get that guy! I'm sorry. Stay there, right there. You got it? Got it.